I'm doing my version of the Korean corn dogs, guys. I got my sausages from my local homeboy from the Polish shop. Sorted me out with some smoked chicken sausages. Also, I got 6 different types of crisps to test the crispiness on the outside. We don't do things in little, guys. We go big. We're going big, yowie. And I'm gonna share with you my rating. Which one is gonna get the most yowies? Let's get cooking, yowie.
Alrighty guys, as you can see in the top right, I'm using today these lovely smoked chicken sausages. Remember, you can use beef sausages, you can use your favorite Londoner pork sausage, whichever you prefer. Now I'm just using the sausage to guide my cutting of the mozzarella, so everything is the same size. Don't buy the circular round mozzarella, which is usually stored in a lot of liquid. Even though that mozzarella tastes better, it's not the best mozzarella for what we're making today. This mozzarella I bought from Waitrose. It's a rectangular block, 400 grams, and it's perfect for this. As you can see, I'm just trimming them so they're exactly the same size, and all that trim is not going to be wasted. We're going to use it as one of our blocks for one of the cheese dogs. No wastage. Now traditionally, guys, these Korean cheese dogs are dipped in a batter made out of flour, yeast and water, which is why they're called cheese dogs, because they're one piece. However, I found them quite doughy, so I thought I'd make my own version, which is why it's called a cheese and a dog, because they're separate. Yowee! Alrighty, now it's blending time. So starting up with these prawn crackers made of corn, and voila! They are blended. Next up are these potato, spicy Trinidadian scorpion chips, and look! They are blended. Next, these rice crackers, seaweed flavor, and voila! Done, blended. Oh, once you pop, you can't stop. Pringles cheese flavor, done! Next up, you've got these sour cream popped crisps, beautiful, done, blended. Monster Munch, you gotta love Monster Munch, guys, and voila, they are done. Look, there they are, guys, all the 6 crisps. If only it was that quick to blend them all, but there they are, beautiful, ready. Alrighty, so here's the pane setup, and the salt's going into the flour, followed by the garlic powder, black pepper, and paprika, coriander, and MSG. Remember, all quantities are below. Now let's whisk it all together. Yowee! Oh, didn't you just love the sound of that egg? Alright guys, so now this is the egg wash. That's what we usually call it. Strange name, I know, but you just crack 3 eggs, add 50 ml of milk, whiskey, and that's the egg wash ready. Now for the pane. There's the lovely smoked chicken sausages into the seasoned flour. From the flour, you go into the egg wash. Egg wash into the panko. Remember guys, as you can see here, tossy in the panko. Keep one hand for your wet and one hand for your dry. So here, my dry is my right hand and the wet hand is the left. We're going to pane it twice again, so it went back into the egg wash, then back into the breadcrumbs, and voila, there she is, ready. Now do the same with all the rest of the 6 and 6, and then what you're going to do is back into the egg wash and then into the respective crisps. So you have one of each. Look at them, they're beautiful. Didn't you just love the sound of the prawn crackers just crackling away? So guys, this one took 3 minutes at 190 degrees turning halfway, because you need to cook this at a higher temperature. The rest is in the details below. Yowee! Alrighty guys, so before I start sampling these cheese dogs, each one I will be assessing based on this criteria, guys. 1, yaoi, it's a soggy mess. 2, it has a little structure but it's still soft like butter. 3, yaois, it's soft, brittle, so a little crisp but it's soft. 4, yaois, it's a harder brittle, which is good. And 5, yaois, it's crispy goodness, yaoi! So here's a reminder of all the 6 different types of crisp I'll be comparing, and I'll be revealing the results of the assessment after sampling all 6 of them. And this is why! Today I'll be eating in silence, guys, to try and engage your ASMR. Have a quick read of what that is. Now, when you hear this sound, the ASMR session begins, and when you hear this sound, the ASMR session ends. Yowie? So, for Chef Khalid's assessment of the cheese and dogs. Number 1, the prawn cracker, guys. It was a fantastic texture on the palate, guys, and it was almost popping in my mouth. Absolutely amazing and thoroughly deserved 5 yowies. The scorching hot potato number 2, I have to say, was rather disappointing. That only gets 2 yowies. Number 3, the seaweed rice cracker, rice based, gave a good texture, I have to say. It was pretty good. I'd say it was average, so it's 3 yowies. Number 4, the Pringles. Now, even though they taste fantastic, the texture-wise with this cheese and dog was again average, so it was 3 yowies. Number 5, the popped sour rice and potato combination for this one, guys. I have to say it was above average. It had a hard brittle. It was good. So it's 4 yowies. And then last but not least, the Monster Munch, which is made of maize. Again, I would say it's definitely above average and thoroughly deserves 4 yowies. So the clear winner is the prawn cracker with 5 yowies.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I think there was one clear winner today, and that's got to be the popcorn one. I mean, listen. I fried this 10 minutes ago, and it's still crispy. It's still crispy. 3 Chef Khalid tips for today. Number 1, again, we're working with hot oil, so please be careful. Put things in the fryer away from you as well, guys. Number 2, guys, if you're gonna do the same as me and compare different types of crisps, just be ready that there's a lot of washing up to go with this one. There was a lot of washing up. I felt like I did more washing up than I did cooking. Yowie. Number 3 has got to be, guys, you got to use the sausage that works for you as well. Some people love your Londoner sausage, which is like 80% pork, 20% water, no additives. Some people like beef sausages. Some people like chicken sausages. It's all about using the sausage that works for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and even hit the notifications because you don't want to be missing this sort of content, yowie. 3, 2, 1, yowie! Come on!